Okay, so this is a very quick tutorial, and in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to wipe your AWS account clean in minutes with a tool called aws-nuke. So you can see the tool, the aws-nuke. This is the GitHub repository. So we'll install aws-nuke, and all we are trying to do is to wipe our AWS accounts clean. Aware of the resources that might have been running or maybe stopped or something. So aws-nuke cleans up your account like it never existed. So I'll go ahead and download the software. So we'll come to releases. So we'll see I'll be doing this on Windows, by the way. So I'll pick the one we're gonna be downloading. Okay, so let me pick 5.8 64. Then we'll download it. I have it downloaded already. This is it, AWS Nuke. Right. So I would just go to my file explorer, and I'm gonna extract this. I'll extract it, and I'll get a standalone file like this. Let me extract it again. So you see this is a command line, so you need to open commands line, and you need to open cmd.txt to and run it through there. So I'll just go to this is my PowerShell. I can use command line as well. So I would copy as parts, copy as parts, then I'll paste. No, it is meant to run the two. Okay, so I did the same thing in my command prompts, not in PowerShell. So you use PowerShell. I will use command prompts rather. So when I opened the when I ran the parts, it came back with this. But we cannot keep doing this. We can't keep doing it like this. We have to rename this. So I'll just rename it to AWS Nuke. Right. I will AWS Nuke. Then I'll come to use arrow. Then I will run sysdm.cpl. So I'll create a path for the application. So it runs directly in the terminal. So I'll come to advanced. I'll come to environment variables. Then I'll come to user variables for my account. So I would click on path. I'll click on path. Then okay. Before then, I would come to my PowerShell. I'm going to create a new bin directory, a new bin folder. So I would say mkdir and the last sign home, then slash bin. So I have it already existed. So what I'm going to be doing is I would move the file to this directory. So I'm just going to say move item. Then I'll paste the directory of the file we just extracted. Then I'm going to move it to home/bin. So it exists, but for you, it won't flag you like this because I have it already in my home/bin folder. I have it in my bin folder, but you don't have it, right? So it's gonna come as it's gonna return no errors for you. You would get no errors when you run this. So then you come to environment variables. Then you click or you add the new bin folder you just created, right? So then you click on okay. So you just like create new. Then you had your C, then the folder, the entire bin directory to it. Then you just click on OK, and you click on OK. So now I'm just gonna close. So after you've done that, you come to your PowerShell and you run aws dash nuke.exe. So automatically it runs the tool without using the entire directory like I used earlier. So this is AWS Nuke installed. Now we need to configure our AWS CLI. So you can come to AWS CLI and download the V2, the MSI file. So you get it installed. So I'm going to be attaching the link in the description. I'll attach the link in the description. So um, when you want to install, you just come here to where you downloaded the file. Then you click on this. This is it. Then you install, and also you'll be installing Go to install better. Yeah. So once you click on this, automatically it prompts you to install AWS CLI. So easily we can just do AWS then configure. So when you use AWS configure, it will prompt you to input your access key ID and your secret key for the account you are trying to wipe in. So I have an account therein, I have a secret key therein. Make your region name default and also make your output format default. Then you have it saved. So after that you are going to run aws-nuke. Then before you run aws-nuke, you come to your notepad and you run this. So you just replace your account, you replace this with your account ID. You can copy this, you can pause the video and copy this, right? So all you'll be changing would be this. You put your account ID and you can find your account in I'm logged out right now, but you'll find your account ID on the top right corner when you log in. Right, you find your account ID there, so you just copy and paste your account ID there. Then when you're gonna save it, you save as, then you do config dot yaml, right? And you save as type, not as text document, but all files. So you have it saved. So you save it. Then the next thing we're gonna do is gonna be AWS nuke, and you specify the config file we just wrote now. Dot, but I would prefer to go to my directory. I would prefer to just copy the file path in case it's not in the folder that I am running AWS nuke from. So I'll copy this part, then I'll paste it. Then I'll say profile and default. Then we would need to add one more command to delete the entire process. Oh, let's run this first. So it will ask you to continue your alias name. So I'm just going to copy this, then I'll paste this. So okay, so finally it came back. There is a total scan, 160 total, so 4 new cables and 86 filtered. So we'll run the script, the command again, but we'll be adding this one. There's no dry run to actually delete the resources. Here we go. So you put your alias again. So yeah, when you log in back into your AWS console, you would see that you have no instances. Yeah, because I had like a couple of instances. I had like 2 instances running, but now I have like no instance at all. So there is a way to wipe your AWS account clean with AWS Nuke.